one, question number 17, exercise 4.4. Oh, 17 at one. A two-digit number is 4 times the sum of its digit and twice the product of its digits. Find the number. Oh, two-digit number 2. A digit the let tum ne nga. A digit let tum bel ne. Oh, a digit the bel home let tum let li ne nga. Yeah, one. Two-digit number 2 twice the product of its digit. Two-digit number 2. A digit the punti let ne nga. Poka. This number that's here. Question number 17. Let the tens digit be x and unit digits b y and then x plus y card to this number 2 kanina. So ano question kanina nga? So question at 1. A two-digit number is at 1. Then x plus y two-digit number is 2 equal to being nga 4 times this one 4 multiply. Here can multiply them 4. Here this one the sum of its digits and a digit is x and y. X and y will come. Oh, here a question na nga. Equation ng siyam niya. So kan siyam na mga then x plus y is equal to 4x plus 4y nga. Like terms take that nga. 10 minus 4 to 6x nga. Y minus 4 to minus 3y nga equals to 0. So 1 3 na divide by 3 2 is 6 niya 3 1 is 3 2x minus y to 0. Oh, equation 1 kan nga. So 1 and akan nga kan dut leang apan hina po two digit number tong chang thau kha so ya. So 1 10 x plus y two digit number is twice the product of its digit. 2 times the product of its digit 2x that y multiplied. Oh, x into y. Oh, so 1. Oh, here equation 2 kan tinggal kita. Oh, equation 1 le 2 hit look ting kan ina nga y hi alawin nga. Y ay an 1 ang cancel don tinggal. Oh, 1 ni adding kan man adding equation 1 and 2 we get equation 1 and 2 kapag 1 equation 1 and 2 kapag 1 2x again 2 12x niya minus y plus y 2 and cancel 0 at 2x y bet 1 2x y so kaya x x and cancel ini 1 2 ini kan divide by 1 2 6 12 niya 2 1 is 2 y 1 6 itu kita coba 1 hi equation 1 equation 1 akan tak dulu ni buat lupa hi putting y equals to 6 in equation 1. We get kan pilih nga equation 1 to 2x minus y equal to 6 in equal to 0. Sorry, 2x minus y 6 apa 6 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 6. 2 in divide by 1 2 times 1 2 2 ya 2 3 x to 3. So wang number 2 kan chuak thai ta. Therefore, the number is 10x plus y into 3 plus y to 6 here 36 times number 2 6 so there are question number 18 nên là question number 18 nên là question number 18 one 10 years hence thì kum som local to future so na 10 years kum som lo diam le zet chuan tu na tanga kum som pi na ni a man's age will be twice the age of his son thì tu na tanga kum som ma chuan bi pakhat oma chu bi pakhat le fa pakum kan han te khin chuan fa pakum kha fa pakum le ni kha pakum kha lo ni na ni chuan 10 years ago kum som kal ta ve thunga kha chuan the man was 4 times as old as his son pa kha kum som liam ta chu a pakum le ni ne akum ain za chia ti han poka chuan find their present age sati tu na hian tu men zang en ni ti ni question number 18 chang na let ting on let the present age of the man and his son be x and y respectively. Apa le apa pakum chu x and y se kan tin. Chuan question akan du ta question akan 10 years hence on ta 10 years hence kum som lo lian chuan kan man's age apa kum men sang ngai lo ni ta kang kum som bel mai tu x plus 10 chuan apa pa son's age le ni nga apa kum ko kum som ni yang chuan chung han chuan statement is kum som local tu ra chuan pa kha apa pakum let ni twice kang in 2 times y plus 10 chuan x plus 10 is equal to 2y plus 20 ya x le y ka da du nga x minus 2y is equal to 20 minus 10 so 10 question 1 chuan 10 years ago 10 years ago kum som kal ta khan chu na hian kum x le y ni kum som biam ta chuan man's age 2 10 pe le mai tu ni x minus 10 ni be thunga son's age po song pe le mai tu ni one chung hang chung question siap le nga 18 na chuan 10 years ago the man was 4 times as old as his son ati man's age 2 x minus 10 is 4 times tung lately in 4 times as old as his son apa pakum lately ni tu kan siam re mga x minus 10 is equal to 4y minus 40 đâu nhá chuan x le y cái đặt tu nga x minus 4y is equal to minus 40 plus 10 chu minus 30 thì equation 2 so equation 1 le tu en chuan x lo nang le ven he equation 1 x equation 2 x chuan subtracting man tu subtracting equation 2 from 1 we get subtract le nga he equation 1 na ka pai do ni x minus x2 in kan se la ato le sign kha pat ko chuan minus 2y plus 4y2 plus 2y equal to 10 plus 32 40 chuan y2 2 in ka divide ve ni kan ni 20 kan y2 20 kan hei hi equation 1 ka da le nga putting y equal to 20 in equation 1. Equation 1 to x minus 2y equal to 10 ya. X minus 2y equal to 10. X minus 40 equal to 10. X is equal to minus 40 plus 14 ya 50. X equal to 50. Belongs to 1. Therefore, present ages of the man and his son. The man and his son are 50 years and pass up to 20 years respectively. Papa ka kumsum nga niya, papa tu kumsum ni.